Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you the correct method of poached eggs with soy sauce.
If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon. Then let's see together. Thank you.
Why do we choose the right eggs? When we make boiled poached egg, but it still sticks to the pan after being boiled and it does not take shape. In fact, we did an extra step. We do prepare a few more shallow plates, then put an egg into every plate. The water in the pan is boiling now, and let's turn off the fire. Wait until the water is not bubbling. Pour the egg into it slowly and stick into water. Because of gravity, if the plate is far from the water surface, it's white and yolks are easy to separate. The reason why turn off the fire is, if the fire is on, the water will keep boiling and rolling, and the poured eggs will be easily washed away and produce a lot of white foam. Or the stirred eggs we selected, it will be directly washed into a pan of eggs after you see the egg set. Now we are going to make the sauce. We start chopping spring onion. Hot chili pepper. Don't use it if you don't like spicy. Pour in light soy sauce into the plate. I choose the soy sauce that's not so salted. Sesame oil. Chicken powder. Add more hot chili peppers. And add more spring onion. I like add more sesame seed to make more tasty. So the poached eggs with soy sauce is ready. It's looked very delicious. Eat a bowl of poached eggs in the morning, enough nutrition for the day. If you like it too, please give it a like.
Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.